Hey everybody! I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you've come to watch me do a DIY for you. We have DIY number 1, and I have this cute little birdhouse. I'm not sure where I got it, but I think it was probably Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And I'm making a little miniature one. I made a bigger one, as you can probably remember. I did it last week, I believe. Now I'm just using this caulking, believe it or not. I'm using it to make it look like snow. So they sell it at Dollar Tree. I already had it, so I thought, why not use it? And then after I do that, I'm going to sprinkle it with some Dollar Tree snow. This is a great way to use up the rest of your caulk so it doesn't turn hard, and you could just use it in any of your DIYs for like make it look like snow. And it was fun to do too. I would imagine if you did some fake desserts, you can use this in your fake desserts also. And then I'm going back over it again. So I'm making it look even, I guess, with more snow, sort of like really thick. And again, I'm adding snow to it. So you can add as much as you like, however you want it to look. You can add more caulk, you can add more snow, you can build it up. It's like a buildable type thing. So you can build it up and just keep layering it. Once you put the snow on it, you can't really tell. Because I haven't really found the spackle at Dollar Tree here in Florida. Every time I go, I don't see it anymore, but they do have this particular caulk. And I've used it in my bathrooms too, so it works both ways. Okay, I'm using these Dollar Tree trees. I think they come 8 in a pack. They're the little tiny ones. And I'm just going to glue them on with some glue to the little bird cage. And you could paint these wooden objects any color you want. I did spray paint this one outdoors. So I just used like a red spray paint from Walmart. And then I used the caulk, then the snow, and now I'm just gluing the little Dollar Tree trees that you get 8 in a pack. I hope that it's 8 in a pack. Yeah, look how cute that's looking. Okay, I have this greenery from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to pull some of it apart, and I'm going to decorate the top of the shed. Not the shed, the house, sorry. That looks really cute, doesn't it? It's just really cute because it's like a little mini birdhouse. And you could stick it in any of your little DIY little scenes. If you have one of those village scenes, it would be cute in that. I have it sitting in my bathroom next to the little other birdhouse that I built. Got this little mini wreath. I'm just going to cut the little tag off of it to hang it with. And I'm going to glue this to the front of the birdhouse. Okay, I'm adding some greenery to the other side of the roof. And like I said, you can use whatever greenery you have. You don't have to go out and buy anything special because I'm just taking it off of branches that I have. And it's so adorable. It really is. It's a cute little birdhouse. Very cute. This is it up close. It's really cute. It doesn't take much to do this cute little mini birdhouse. It's just like a little bit of therapy, just sitting there working on it. DIY number 2 is another one from Dollar Tree. It was one of the ones that were here this summer for the beachy theme. And I'm just going to cover it. I spray painted it. And now I'm going to decorate it with some, it's like this ribbon that is sort of shiny that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to glue it to the eave of the roof. And then you can go back and clip it off if it's a little bit too long. With your Dollar Tree scissors. And your Dollar Tree finger protectors. I have this cute little, it was actually an ornament, and I'm going to use it in my craft here. And I'm just going to glue it to the front of the house. I have some of these little, they're like spongy, what would it be, like rubber stars. And they've got the little glue on the back of it, so you pull the tape off, and it's got adhesive on the back, but I'm going to go ahead and add some glue too. They're like styrofoam, but they're also a little rubbery. And there you have a cute little house. I'm going to add some more of this ribbon from Dollar Tree. cutting it in half, but it's going to be lengthwise. I'm going to add a little bit more to the top of the roof. Yeah, make sure you use your finger protectors because it does have little holes in it. So when you go to put the glue on there, the glue sometimes pokes through and can burn your fingers. And I'm just trimming off the edges. Just filling in that tiny little piece with just a little tiny piece so that it looks complete. The other side too. It didn't go all the way, but I needed just a tiny little piece. Okay, these also came from Dollar Tree, and they look like little peppermint, so I'm going to cover the little truck wheels in the little peppermint wheels, just to make it more Christmassy. And there it is. Look how cute that is. That would be really cute in one of your Christmas scenes also. Like if you did some those toy soldiers and you'd spray paint them black, you can add this to your little black scene and it turns out really cute. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And I would love it if you would share with your family and friends. I think that this is a great time to surprise them with some of your DIY gifts, make them happy, or even do some of these with your children. And there's my little mini birdhouse. I love the way this one turned out too. It's really cute. Like I said, these make great gifts and they look really good in some of your little Christmas villages. Again, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button, and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video.